In this video, we're going to be talking about pay. Got a crazy load here, 4 stops. We're going to break it all down, show you how it all works, what everything's going to pay. Let's talk about it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, again, like I said, we are going to be talking about pay. I got a crazy 4-stop load that goes from Pennsylvania down into Maryland. Delivers all tomorrow. 4 stops. We get paid extra for each stop that we make, plus the mileage pay on top of whatever we're running. Today, in this video, we're going to break it all down and we're going to show you what each stop pays and how much total I'm going to make for this one trip. You guys ready? Let's go. All right, so let's get into this. I've taken the liberty of drawing up this little diagram visual aid, something that, as I'm explaining this, hopefully makes this a little bit easier to understand. Yeah, so like we said, 4 total stops. Picked up at KDC, or Knoll Distribution Center, up in Alberta, Pennsylvania. It's going down into Maryland. We have our 4 stops, so we have our stops here and then the distance from the last stop over here. So our first stop was in Savage, Maryland. Our next one being in Glen Burnie, Hanover, Maryland as the 3rd, and then we have Upper Marlboro down here as the 4th. So, and then over here, distance from the last stop, we have 154 miles, which actually equals 500 miles. Because the suite has the 500-mile rule. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, any run or any load that is under 500 miles, you will get paid automatically 500 miles. So this load, or this one here, from here to our stop, our first stop was 154, so that automatically means we get paid for 500. And then the distance in between the first stop to the second stop was 21 miles, 8 miles, and then 31 miles all in between each stop. And then now, so we have our 4 total stops there. Now down here at the bottom, our total pay. So like I said before, we had our 154 miles, but that actually equals 500 miles. So we take 500, we multiply it. This is what I make, 63 cents a mile. So you take 500 times 0.63, you end up with $315. And then our stop pay, because every stop that you make, you know, an accessory fee, you know, so for the first stop you get paid $30 on top of our mileage pay over here, and then for $40 for the second to the 4th stop, so you get $40 each stop from the second to the 4th stop. And then, not in this specific example, but if there were 5 stops or any more than that, it would be $50 per stop each. So in total, for our 4 stops, we're going to be making $150 extra for our stop pay on top of our mileage pay, because again, got $30 for our first stop, and then from the second to the 4th, we got $40 each for those stops, for a total of, again, $150. So we come over here, we take our $315 that we made in our mileage pay plus $150 stop pay, which gives us a grand total of $465 total. Again, that's just this trip. It's not this week, it's just this one trip, this one total stop deliveries, whatever you want to call it. What do you guys think? Decent money? Good money for the amount of stops? I know, again, it's a pain in the ass with 4 stops and all that, bumping docks and everything, but it's almost 500 bucks. So I mean, what do you think? Let me know your comments down below. Is this a good amount of money for this? I mean, it's okay enough for me, and I'm not really that concerned about it. I just look at all the stops and how they're laid out in Google Maps, so I know what to be prepared for, and then my Garmin does the rest. It gets me there, so it's not that bad. And plus the mileage in between the 2, you know, there's not a lot of driving involved, so we'll see. Real quick before we go, I feel it'll be important to add to say that we don't usually get loads like this that have multiple stops. This isn't, I think this is actually the first time that I've ever had this many stops on one trip, but I felt like it was a good example to break down the accessory pay and the stop pay and the 500-mile rule, to actually give you a good example of like how quickly you can actually, you know, make a lot of money. But this doesn't happen all the time. If you guys might be concerned about something like that, it doesn't really happen all that often, unless you run, you know, maybe like a local route, or if you do like Ashley or something that has a bunch of stops on it, but that's few and far in between. This isn't like a normal thing. But again, I felt like this was just a good example to break everything down, and just so everybody could see how much, you know, money you could actually make just by, you know, running this one load. You know, it's not bad. It's almost 500 bucks for one load. But yeah, with all that being said, if you found this information helpful, like I said, feel free to like and subscribe. If you're thinking about coming over to Sweet, and you found my information helpful, my videos are good, if they've, you know, pushed you in the right direction to make a phone call or to actually to apply, feel free to leave me as a referral. I'll never force anybody to do it, but most cases, most people are appreciative enough that somebody took the time to kind of break all this stuff down and, you know, push them in the right direction, you know, get a driver's inside perspective on a lot of this stuff. Most people are just appreciative enough to do that, to list me as a referral. So I'll have the stuff, my name and stuff and truck number probably down here at the bottom somewhere, and then I'll also have it in the description box below. It doesn't cost you anything to do so. It's free. It only takes a second. I don't care if you do it or not. I'll never know if you do it or not, really, unless, you know, somebody lets me know about it. But it does, if you're appreciative enough, it does give me a monetary bonus. So yeah, with all that being said, yeah, so $465. What do you think for this little run that we had to do? It was 4 stops. It kind of could be a little tricky, but we are getting paid almost $500 just for this one trip this week. What do you think? Do you think this is fair? Do you think this is good money? Do you think it's decent money? I know it's kind of a pain in the ass with all the stops and stuff, but it's just one trip, so gotta, you know, keep that into consideration. If you're thinking about driving for Sweet, if you just stumble across this video randomly, my name is Michael. I've been a driver here for almost 2 years. Link down in the description box below. We'll have a lot more information, general information about this trucking company, what it's like to work here, you know, wages, benefits, things like that. Sweet is friendly to DUI folks, DWI folks, me being a living example as I have one in my past. Folks that have felonies or misdemeanors, or guys and gals in the SAP program. We have gotten those folks hired and in the door and in the truck and working. So if you're thinking about driving for Sweet, we have, see what we can offer you. I advise everyone, I recommend everyone to do their own research. See if Sweet can meet your goals and expectations. I'll have the website linked down in the description box below. Plus, I have a ton of other videos about this company, about this specific topic. So, see if Sweet can do what you need it to do. If this will be a good fit for you, I recommend it. I've been here almost 2 years. They gave me an opportunity, and I took advantage of that opportunity, and I've been here and happily ever since. So, yeah. With all that being said, guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you tuning in. Feel free to like and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new, and if you like this kind of content, it would mean a lot and mean the world to me. Yeah, trying to get this channel off the ground and get it really rolling. Looking to post more frequently, more content more frequently. So let me know that you like it, so you know I'm doing a good job. So with all that being said, yep, that'll do it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe out there. God bless. Be safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.